So first thing we're going to do is remove this top cover here to expose the valve cover and everything under this. We're going to remove a total of 4 E10s here. There's 2 in the front and 2 in the back under this here. This you can just pretty much lift up and get out the way. Attached by some clips under here. It's pretty simple to get out of the way. You can just honestly pull it out. Sometimes there will be, depending if someone's ever worked in the vehicle, there's going to be plastic tabs under here that you will need to remove first. All you gotta do is kind of lift up on it. But besides that, we just need to get this cover out the way. This one, I know for a fact this vehicle's been worked on in the past and it's missing the 2 in the back. So luckily for me, I can just get it out the way. So let's get this out the way and get to the next step. So the fuel pressure sensor is located all the way in the back here. Normally I can get this with like a crow's foot. However, for the sake of this video, I'm gonna go ahead and just remove all this up here. This just kind of pops off. And then you can remove all those wires, the harness there. Then the air filters with a 13, you're gonna twist that off and pull this out and remove those, and then we'll get to the next step. So after you remove the cabin filters on both sides, you can just go ahead and pull this weather strip off as well. We're gonna remove this here to expose one more little plastic clip, nut, whatever that looks like these, which these there'll be 3 on each side over there. And right here, 1, 2, and 3, just turn them to the side a little bit, just get them a little plastic clip holding in place out the way. And you can pull it up, but let's get this out the way first. So this little plastic tab here, just pull it upward and slide towards the driver's side, which will expose one more that you'll have to remove. So after we do that, we're gonna remove these, total of 7 of them, 3 on each end and 1 here. You're gonna pick up this side and push it to the side and get that. Once you get this side out the way, you'll get this side out the way. So let's get them out the way. All right, so I've removed both those top covers to the cabin filter. I forgot to mention on the passenger side of the cabin filter, you will have these 2 sensors. You can, just like I did, just pull out the plug and plug them, or just pull it out completely like I did so. So now we're gonna go ahead and remove this out the way. As you can see, there's 1 tab missing. The other one's right there. So with the pry tool, we're just gonna get this out the way, just kind of swing it to the side, and we'll get full exposure to access our fuel pressure sensor right there. Now with the plastic piece here pushed to the side, we're gonna unplug this fuel pressure sensor here. Clips on the bottom, just pull it out. And then with a 27mm wrench, we're gonna go ahead and remove it and install the new one. So after unplugging it with a 27, just kind of slightly loosened it up. It's not too tight in there, it's actually just a snug fit. Obviously some fuel will come out. Just to be safe, however, I just opened the gas cap just to release some pressure. So we have our fuel pressure sensor removed now. Let's go ahead and install the new one. So I've got the new fuel pressure sensor installed, just snug fit, plugged in. So now we're just gonna put everything back on, just this clips into place. Just make sure they line up the holes here. And then just put everything back on. So make sure this side comes on first. And you're done. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. More videos to come.